Yeah, just found a ring, guys. Nice young couple here walking along and watched me dig it live. Couldn't believe it. They asked me how my day's been going. I said I'll tell you in a minute, and look what pops out. Awesome.
It lets you pick up the loose stuff.
Yeah, no, it's good.
Hey Jace, come hold on to this, bud.
1928, Jace, did you say that was?
What?
1928, Jace?
Jace, 28?
Yeah, 28.
Sweet. Yeah, 1928 halfpenny. Awesome. Up here with Justin and Jason. Halfpenny each, so sweet. Yeah, $3 right near each other. Yeah, another $1. Cool. Yeah, another $1. Yeah, coin spill, $5.20. There you go, everyone. This is results from 3 different hunts. It's probably about 9 hours total of hunting. There's most of the trash. There was more ring pulls and stuff, but there was more of these too. They've been turning up on 2 different beaches now. I'd say someone's scattering them around, but they're not going to worry me. The first hunt was just the silver ring and 2 10-cent coins. It's a nice ring, it's got some nice pattern on it. The second hunt ended up with 7 2s, 4 1s, 6 20s, 4 10s and 7 5s. On the third hunt I got 5 2s, 4 1s, 4 20s, 15 10s and probably about 10 5s. Got this little bit of bling on a string. This Call of Duty game. A person's tagged that, I'd say, you know, when you've got epilepsy or problems like that. It's not a Zippo, but it's very similar and it does work. Nice lighter. Nice colours in that. Excuse me for the sniffles, but now I've got this too. I don't know what it is. This is like a little rubber grommet on the end of it. I don't know if it's some type of body piercing, but there's sort of nowhere to put a clip on the end of it to stop it from falling out. Also got a 1970 2-cent coin, a 2013 American 1 cent, a 1999 €2 cent, and I think that one's from the Netherlands by the looks of it, and a New Zealand 5-cent coin. So yeah, all up, it was a good hunt, good couple of hunts. Glad I got a ring in amongst it all, and if anyone knows what that is, can you give me a yell? I don't know. And what, obviously this is a game, Call of Duty, but obviously what does it go in? Some type of PlayStation or something. Anyway, anyone knows what they are, I've seen them before, just leave a comment if you could. Anyway, catch you later.